Have you ever wondered what would happen if you stayed awake for 48 hours without sleeping? Sleep is one of the most important biological needs of the human body. Just like food, water, and oxygen, sleep plays a critical role in maintaining our physical and mental health. Yet many people underestimate how essential sleep really is. Students stay up studying, workers stay awake for long shifts, and sometimes people simply cannot fall asleep. But what actually happens inside the body and brain when you go without sleep for an entire day, or even 2 days? In this video, we will explore what happens to your brain, hormones, immune system, and body when you stay awake for 48 hours. This internal clock regulates when we feel awake and when we feel tired. It is influenced by light, darkness, and signals from the brain. Another important chemical involved in sleep is melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland. Melatonin levels usually rise at night, helping the body prepare for sleep. When sleep is interrupted or skipped, this natural rhythm becomes disrupted. After about 24 hours without sleep, the body begins to experience noticeable changes. The brain starts to struggle with attention and concentration. Reaction times become slower, and decision-making becomes more difficult. Research shows that staying awake for 24 hours can impair cognitive performance in a way similar to mild alcohol intoxication. The brain begins accumulating a chemical called adenosine, which builds up during wakefulness and increases the feeling of sleepiness. During sleep, the brain performs many maintenance processes, including memory consolidation and the removal of metabolic waste products. Scientists have discovered a system in the brain known as the glymphatic system. This system becomes most active during sleep and helps remove toxins and waste molecules from brain tissue. Sleep deprivation also affects several important hormones in the body. One hormone that becomes elevated is cortisol, which is released during stress. Higher cortisol levels can increase feelings of anxiety and make it harder for the body to relax. Sleep deprivation can also influence hormones that regulate hunger, such as ghrelin and leptin. This is why people who do not sleep enough often feel hungrier and may crave high-calorie foods. After about 36 hours without sleep, the effects become much stronger. The brain begins to experience microsleeps, which are extremely short moments when the brain briefly shuts down and enters sleep for a few seconds. During these moments, a person may lose awareness of their surroundings without realizing it. Memory problems become more noticeable, and mood changes may occur. People may feel more emotional, impatient, or easily frustrated. Sleep also plays a critical role in supporting the immune system. During sleep, the body produces signaling proteins known as cytokines, which help fight infections and inflammation. When sleep is restricted, the production of these protective molecules can decrease. This is one reason why people who consistently sleep too little may become more vulnerable to illness. By the time a person reaches 48 hours without sleep, the body and brain are under significant stress. Concentration becomes extremely difficult, coordination worsens, and the ability to process information declines. Some individuals may experience confusion, memory lapses, or brief perceptual distortions. The brain is essentially struggling to maintain normal function without the restorative processes that occur during sleep. Fortunately, the human body has an amazing ability to recover. After prolonged sleep deprivation, the body often enters a period known as recovery sleep, where deeper stages of sleep occur for longer periods. This helps restore many of the biological processes that were disrupted during wakefulness. However, Chronic sleep deprivation over long periods can still have serious health consequences. Sleep is not simply a time when the body shuts down. Instead, it is an active and essential biological process. During sleep, the brain clears waste, hormones are regulated, memories are strengthened, and the immune system is supported. Going without sleep for 48 hours can disrupt many of these critical functions and place significant stress on the body. So the next time you consider staying awake all night, remember that sleep is not a luxury. It is a fundamental requirement for a healthy brain and body.